you can guess, you can say she was a sex fiend. I met her in a hotel lobby, masturbating with a magazine. I said, how would you like to spend some time and act like her just when I saw her naked grind? Come on, Nikki, come on. She took me to the hotel castle and I just couldn't believe my eyes. She had so many devices and everything that money could buy. She said, how would you lame on the dotted line, and lights went out and I'm in it start to grind. Oh, come on, Nikki. The castle started spinning, maybe it was my brain. I could tell you she was a ninja, but the body never sang. Oh, I love this new kid from behind, and oh, she showed a little mercy, but still I'm still grinding on Nikki. Oh, no, Nikki. Woke up next morning, Nikki was there. I looked over, all I found was a phone number on the stairs. I said, thank you for the funky time. Call me up whenever you want to grind.